Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to give me a thumbs up on this video. I'm just kidding, but I would appreciate a thumbs up. It might help my channel grow, and I just kind of want to keep you guys updated. I'm not going to be making a dedicated video or a professional video every day, or I guess, well, I wouldn't call it professional, but a more better version of my videos, like the Tesla video I just released. I'm not going to do as much of them anymore because it didn't get a huge amount of views. I thought I was going to get like 10,000 views on that video, but I didn't. Whatever. That's the reality of my situation. But still, I'm still going to be making YouTube videos. I still will make dedicated videos, and I will save them for the weekend. But I do plan to make videos, subjects that I think that is very interesting. I will be making dedicated videos for, but I'm not going to be making a dedicated video for every single video. And I need to keep my views up because it's money. But thanks for watching, and thanks for giving me a thumbs up. And in this video I'm going to be talking about Nordic American tankers. I bought some Nordic American tankers. I bought $15,000 worth Nordic American tankers, 2,500 shares. I put an order in today at $6 US, and it actually managed to exercise. So I think it got exercised over here when the stock hit $6. 2,500 shares. I could just take my profit. It's about 3 or 4% profit, but I'm not. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to wait. And I know that at least the dividend payments are going to be really, really good. And the reason why I bought it is because I think the stock's heading higher. I think, and if not, at least I get paid a ton of dividends, because according to the CEO, dividends payments is going to go up dramatically. And if we look at the history of dividend payment, right now it's 7 cents. But if we look back when Nordic American tankers was around $15, they were paying 40 cents. 40 cents dividends. So the lower the stock goes, the better it becomes. There's a lot of eyeballs on this. So I believe that, if it goes low enough, it's a buying opportunity. If it goes high enough, maybe take some profits off the table. That's what I would, that's what I would suggest to people. And I'm waiting on earnings. Earnings, I think, will pop the stock. So right now might be an opportunity to be loading up on those shares. At least my opinion. Not financial advice. Right? I would say $6 would be a pretty strong opportunity. But the best would be around $5. I don't like around $5, between $4 to $5. I don't think it's gonna drop any lower than that, but anything's possible in this market. If it drops all the way down to around 346, I'm definitely gonna be loading up on way more shares. If it drops to $6, I'll definitely buy some more shares. And if it drops to around $3.50, I'm loading up the boat. And if it goes not load up the boat, but I'll definitely buy more. And then if it goes to $2.46, that is, yeah, I'm loading up. I might even go all in, like literally, seriously, I would go all in at $2.46, because I don't think the company's going bankrupt. And I think, around $2 is like money. It's like free money. It's essentially free money, because they're going to increase their dividends by so much, at least according to the CEO. They have at least a 6 months contract. So even if oil suddenly skyrockets, which it probably won't, I mean, it's possible that oil consumption just increased dramatically and these tankers lose money on these. But Nordic has at least 6 months contract with the oil companies, so they're making a butt ton of money right now, and it's going to be at least for 2 more quarters. And the dividend payment might be worth it, in my opinion. We'll see what happens, but 40 cents is pretty good. I mean, if we look back in back in a long time ago, back when Nordic was $40, they were paying $1 dividends. So imagine imagine Nordic paying you $1 in dividends payment. Like, just imagine. Like, I'm not saying that will happen. It's a possibility. But imagine if Nordic American paid you $1 dividends. That is a lot of money. That's like $1.24, $1.32, $1.58, almost $2 of dividends. So, you know, if that's the scenario, you know, that the stock price is, you know, it's worth a buy in my opinion. At least in my opinion. This is not financial advice, so please don't take it as financial advice. This is simply my opinion, but I think it is an opportunity right now. I mean, it could go lower, and I'm definitely hoping it goes lower. Today I saw a correction, so I decided to take it. Could it go down more? Absolutely. Like I said, $5. I'm definitely buying more at $5, and if it drops to all the way back down to around $3.54, I'm definitely buying more. And then if it goes down to the low $2, I'm loading up the boat, because I think the dividend payments is worth it. Just my opinion. Tesla just had earnings, and the stock skyrocketed 7.342%. After hours. I made a video on it. They had a surprise profit. Rich people are pumping money into it. Bots and rich people are pumping money, and the stock is going up. At this point, I think Tesla will hit $1,000 eventually. I don't know when, but I think eventually they will. Maybe when they reopen the factories on May 5th, the stock is going up to $1,000. My opinion. We'll see what happens. You could do a swing trade. Options is kind of hard, but you could do a swing trade on it, because I'm thinking it's going to $1,000. It's clearly established a new uptrend. Eventually, the stock price will collapse, in my opinion. But for now, I think it's heading to $1,000. We'll see if I'm right in the coming months. This is just my opinion, not financial advice. So Tesla, they did pretty good. $1.24. They were expecting a loss of 37 cents, but they made a profit. And the stock is skyrocketing. Revenues of $5.99 billion versus $5.81 billion. Moving on, Facebook also skyrocketed. Facebook is such a strong earnings report. And that's why the stock is skyrocketing. I think the stock is going to blue sky breakouts. My opinion only. But yeah, the stock market is not going to crash. I think the SPY is going to go a lot higher. Tomorrow, job numbers is not going to matter. Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe job numbers will come out and the stock will crash. But right now, both Tesla, Facebook is up massively. And then if Facebook is up, of course Zoom is down. But I think Zoom is an opportunity. I seriously do. I will be making a dedicated video on Zoom over the weekend, because I think it's a video that could do very well. Could be wrong. This is, but the lower Zoom goes, the more of an opportunity becomes. It sucks, but all the good companies are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. There's no Canadian companies that are, worth buying, because all the good companies is in the US. And all traded, like Zoom is not a US company. Zoom, but I will be making a more dedicated video on Zoom and my thoughts on Zoom. And I honestly think that this decrease in price is an opportunity. Of course, if we look at a charting perspective, Zoom is looking like it's going to start downtrending here. So I'm expecting Zoom to go down further. I say, about the 113 could be a good, like, if it breaks 113, if it goes to about 110, I think it's an opportunity. Could go down lower. We could see this thing go back down to like $60, which is, super opportunity. Super opportunity is like $60. But I think about 110 would be ideal. I'm definitely, if the stock price goes to $110, I'm definitely loading up the boat on Zoom. But I don't know if it'll go down there. It could not. I don't know. But the stock is starting to downtrend. They are having problems right now because Microsoft just came out with free video conferencing call similar to Facebook, and both Google and Facebook are basically trying to steal Zoom's market share, and that is putting a lot of pressure on Zoom stock right now. So we'll see where Zoom goes. I'm thinking that it's going to keep going down. I could totally be wrong. We'll see what happens. Gilded Science supposedly saved the market today. I don't know. There was some news coming out that saying that their product is working on the situation right now, but we'll see what happens moving forward. If it's 100% approved and and it actually works, I think the entire stock market is going to make new 52-week high. But honestly, it should have already made 52-week high. So, and if that is a scenario, unfortunately, companies like Nordic American tankers will probably go down because oil consumption will probably go up quite dramatically if they found a cure to the virus. But that's optimistic, but we'll see what happens. That would also probably affect Zoom too, because a lot of people will return to work and they won't use Zoom as a business communication program. So we'll see. But again, Zoom is probably losing a lot of business right now because, they're getting challenged by Facebook and Google. So these businesses might, switch from Zoom to Facebook and Google to save some money. Maybe. I don't know at the end of the day, but I know a lot of businesses are using Zoom. Some of them, because of the security issues, have left Zoom. But, again, I will be making a more dedicated video over the weekend on Zoom. I think the lower the stock price goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. Gilded Science up $1.06, 1.27%. Starbucks is 16 cents. Starbucks was weak today. I think Starbucks should crash because, I think the market should punish companies that are doing bad. But then investors are probably thinking that, once this situation is over, Starbucks will, their business will go back to normal and the stock price will go back to normal. So maybe that's why investors are not really selling off. Microsoft also had really good earnings, but it's up 4% after hours. Tomorrow is going to be a green day. Even if the job reports are, worse than expected, it's still going to be a green day tomorrow. TK Tanker Corporation. I will be making a dedicated video on the weekend for this. I think it's a very interesting company, and the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it comes. I still have my position with TK. Scorpio Tankers suffered today. The lower it goes, the better of an opportunity becomes, because Scorpio was at a $40 stock on December 2019. The only thing that's changed about their business is that the fact that it's stronger, yet the stock price is not reflecting it. We'll see what happens. I guess I still need to do more research on this company, but I think it's a pretty strong company. I'm not 100% sure. It has a $1.3 billion market cap right now. Fro today also had a massive decrease in stock price. It's worth $1.83 billion. A lot of people like this. I don't know why people like this so much. Maybe I need to do more research, but a $2 billion company, that's kind of a little bit ridiculous in my opinion. January 3rd, 2020, the stock price was at $13.18, so it could recover back there. Who knows? DHT had a big decline today too. After hours, it is up 8 cents. USO had a reverse split today, and the stock price is down after hours 19 cents. The reason why it popped today is because oil popped today, and USO trades on oil. So, when oil goes up, the contracts go up in price, and USO is making money. So if USO is making money, USO stock goes up, even if in a reverse split. It doesn't matter. Reverse split doesn't matter as long as the company makes money, in my opinion. So I think it's gonna go up more. Could be wrong. Jeremy just did not suddenly made 721% return on investment. That's ridiculous. But I bet you he's probably gonna make a video regarding that. The market was green today. Cresco Labs was slightly green today. ExxonMobil makes no sense, and it's up another 92 cents after hours. CGC is up 2 cents. Aurora is down 3.8 cents. Afria is today up a percent. Tilray was up 6 cents today. Liberal Health Science, nice day, 6.25%. I'm happy. I have a position with this company. I bought it at 42 cents. I don't think it's going to go back to 42 cents anytime soon, but I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. I honestly don't think it's going to go back to 42 cents. 42 cents is a discount. I don't think it's going to go back to 42 cents. I could be wrong, but if it does, I'm definitely buying more. So, on lower, I was hoping it was going to go lower so I could add on to my position, but it ended up skyrocketing. So we'll see what rich people do from here on out, but I think it's going to go higher. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin is up today. No, okay, that's Canadian dollars. I was really confused there for a second. I didn't think Bitcoin was up that much, but yeah, Bitcoin had a really nice day, up, massively, like 13.22%. That's crazy. We'll see if that continues. Now high blockchain technology. High blockchain, 39.5 cents. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm slamming my head against the wall because I sold out at 25 cents. I bought in at 20 cents. I sold out at 25 cents. I could have doubled my money on this company. Oh well, too late now. It could go higher, could go lower. It all depends on the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates. And have a great day. Bye.